Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you again with another watch review video. This is another OLEVS watch that I picked up. This watch is something that I really wanted to get a watch that had a tourbillon in it, but I didn't want to spend too much money, so I was able to find an OLEVS watch with the an automatic watch with the tourbillon on Amazon right now. I will post a link to this video, or I'm sorry, I will post a link to this watch on Amazon so you can pick up this exact watch. Um, and before I open the box, just if you like these videos and you want to see more of them, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. But without further ado, let's get this watch review started. So this is what they call the OLEVS Mechanical Skeleton Tourbillon watch. And I got it in black. There's a few different colors and styles to choose from. This one is currently listed on Amazon currently right now for $128. Let's see if we can get into focus there. It's $128. And I believe there is a 10% coupon on this, but I'll post the link down below so that you guys can click on that and maybe get your hands on one of these things. So here we go with the review. There are a few things that I like about it. There's a few things that I don't like about it. I have to say overall for $128, I've purchased a lot of OLEVS watches and I love them all. But honestly, the thing that kills me with this one is the band. I don't like the band. I don't like the band. I think a black bracelet band would be much nicer on this, metal bracelet band. But I think the band, even though it is genuine leather, I think the band kind of cheapens the look of it. I think that would look much nicer with a black bracelet. So that's the one thing that I do not like about it. As far as the case and the design, it's a simple design. It's sleek. It's nice. Sorry about the fingerprints here, but it's sleek and it's nice. It's classy. Um, and overall, it's a nice watch. It's got the self-winding mechanism, the automatic winding mechanism in the back with the open glass so you can see it. It's all black. It's got the faux diamonds, and you can see the escapement or the tourbillon moving in there. It's really nice. It's a good quality watch. But if you do pick one up, I would recommend buying buying a bracelet, a silver bracelet for it. Because to me, I mean, unless you like that look, I mean, that's, that could be something that you enjoy. You like the leather. I just personally, for me, maybe just a matter of opinion, I suppose. But I think I'm going to end up getting a black bracelet. If I do get a black bracelet, I'll probably do another review on this for you, so you can actually see it with the black bracelet. So I'll post that video when I do get the black bracelet, because I definitely think I'm going to. But otherwise, really nice watch. I always recommend OLEVS watch. Great watch for the quality, or great quality for the price with these watches. And it is a beautiful looking watch if you really look at it. If I can get it into focus here, let me try and get it into focus a little bit better for you. Yeah, you can really see it. You can actually see my hand through the back, so you can see right through the watch itself. But yeah, very nice watch. I highly recommend it. I'll put the link down below, and I'm going to have some more watch videos coming at you. So if you like these videos, give me that thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll keep these videos coming to you. So till next time, Dave the Watchman, I'm out.